How Namib Poultry Chicken gets to you. Namib Poultry Industries' vision is to be the leading supplier of poultry products in Namibia and to create exceptional and sustainable prosperity for all of its stakeholders. It was previously estimated that Namibians consume at least 250,000 chickens per week, equating to 2,000 tons of mostly frozen poultry products per month. These chickens were mainly sourced from South African producers. The landscape changed in May 2012 with the setting up of a Namibian poultry farm and poultry processing operation, making it possible for Namib Poultry Industries to offer a range of both fresh and frozen poultry products to the local Namibian market. This expansion into the poultry industry expanded the Namib Mills Namibia Investment Group's footprint in food manufacturing with the establishment of Namib Poultry Industries, a fully integrated poultry production project at Klein Okapuka Farm, situated 30 kilometers outside Windhoek. The state-of-the-art integrated poultry production farm currently comprises of a breeder unit consisting of 3 rearing and 6 laying sites with 2 houses each, a hatchery unit with a capacity of 536,000 day-old chicks per week, and a broiler unit consisting of 7 sites with 5 environmentally controlled chicken houses each. Namib Poultry Industries produces on average 1,850 tons of poultry products per month, enabling the company to significantly contribute to local value addition in line with Vision 2030 of the Namibian government as well as the domestic food security of the country. The Namib Poultry Industries Poultry Project created in excess of 600 full-time employment opportunities for Namibians, contributing indirectly to an estimated 2,000 persons in households. This How It's Made video will explain how Namib Poultry's chicken gets to you. Phase 1. The Breeder Farm. Pure genetic Cobb and Ross chicks are imported and reared in the rearing houses on the breeder farm. At 22 weeks, the chicks are transferred to the laying house where they produce eggs for the next 40 weeks. A single hen is capable of laying about 170 eggs in her lifetime. Phase 2. Hatcheries. The eggs are put onto settler trolleys which go into setters. The fertilized eggs are put into incubators at a temperature of 37.5 degrees and are turned automatically every 3 hours. The eggs stay in the setter for 18 days and 3 days in the hatcher where chicks hatch 21 days later and move on to being sorted. The first day-old chicks are sorted and put into crates of batches of 100 after being vaccinated against disease such as bronchitis and Newcastle disease and are ready to deliver to the broiler farms. Phase 3. Broiler farms. In a carefully controlled, hygienic environment, the young birds are fed on a balanced diet. Lighting is provided, air is heated by a warm air heater with automatic feeders and water pipes that run 24 hours a day. Pine shavings are used as bedding material. Within 33 to 35 days, the chicks have grown to about 1.8 kilograms and are ready for slaughter. Phase 4. Slaughter and processing. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the live birds are placed in shackles on an overhead line. The birds are stunned by means of a low-voltage electrical stunners prior to being humanely slaughtered. After bleeding out, a scalding bath softens the skin pores to facilitate the fast removal of the feathers by means of various plucking machines. The heads and feet are then removed mechanically, whereafter the carcass is eviscerated by means of fully automated high-speed equipment. All carcasses are then inspected with the intestinal pack still attached by qualified poultry meat inspectors before removal and separation of the intestinal pack into liver, hearts, and gizzards. Carcasses are thoroughly washed on the inside and outside before being transferred to the air chiller, where the core body temperature is gradually dropped from approximately 38 degrees Celsius after evisceration to the required temperature of below 5 degrees Celsius. Carcasses are then graded and weight selected for portioning and/or packing of whole birds. Portioning is done automatically by means of a high-speed auto-cut-up machine into the required piece portions. Fresh chicken. Various single and combination portion cuts and whole birds are packed and foam wrapped and then transferred by a conveyor for pre-pricing and order picking. Frozen chicken. Catering portion cuts are packed into cartons prior to a freezing cycle of 12 to 18 hours in purpose-designed blast freezers. Individually quick frozen (IQF) portion packs are packed once portion exit the high-throughput spiral freezer that has a freezing cycle of approximately 85 minutes. Tertiary products. The separated intestinal pack components are either used for giblet insert packs in whole bird products or are individually packed. Strict adherence to a total quality management system that incorporates world-class good manufacturing practices, a formal food safety program, and industry-leading personal hygiene practices are implemented to ensure that Namib Poultry Industries only produces products that are safe for our consumers. Namib Poultry Industries aims to not only meet the Namibian consumers' demand and appetite for both fresh and frozen chicken meat, but also to honor the company's mission of consistently producing poultry products of outstanding quality at the lowest possible cost in Namibia, and to be the first choice supplier of such poultry products in the country. Namib Poultry Industries is definitely a major role player in the Namibian food manufacturing industry.